Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essential credentials and app permissions. This ensures you get trips without interruptions. Once uploaded, enable GPS and continuous location so the matching algorithm finds nearby riders. Make sure mobile data is stable and battery saver is disabled. Poor connection causes dropped requests. Open Rapido Captain, check your balance and preferred working hours, and then tap Go Online. This first step connects you to active demand and primes the app to send ride requests immediately. When a request arrives, assess pickup distance, estimated fare, and current traffic. Accept promptly to maintain service rating. Once accepted, open the integrated navigation and set the fastest route or switch to your preferred Maps app. This avoids detours and delays. Make sure to message or call the rider with a quick ETA and any pickup instructions. Confirm the helmet or safety requirements and recheck the destination before starting the trip. These small steps reduce cancellations and improve rider satisfaction. Finish the ride by confirming arrival at the correct destination and verifying the fare and chosen payment method. Then tap End Trip to log earnings. If a rider cancels or disputes fare, remain professional, document what happened, and use the in-app reporting tool to submit notes and screenshots. If the app freezes or GPS drifts, immediately toggle location services, force close and restart the app, and only reboot the phone if needed. If problems persist, contact Rapido support with Trip ID for quick resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.